friend, and welcome back to my channel. We are back for 5 more outfits for the week, and I do this every Sunday, so I'm glad you've tuned in, and you can go back and look at other outfit ideas on previous videos. So let's go ahead and just dive in. If we haven't met before, my name is Tina Schwan. I'm a personal stylist and image coach, and I am the founder of Real Style for Real Life and also Style Society. And so here is our outfit calendar for October 2024. This is something I send out to my Style Society members as part of their membership. And I started doing these videos for them, and I decided to just share them on YouTube as well for you, where they get all other sorts of goodies as well. If you're interested in learning more, there'll be a link in the description below. You can click on the Style Society link and learn more, and even if you decide to join, you can join. First outfit we have here shows a leather blazer, black pants, white button-up, a tie for a little menswear look. If you don't have a leather blazer or jacket to use, you can use a regular black blazer. That's part of what we do in Style Society, is you get to pick based on what you already have or what you want to shop for, what you want to use. These are just some basic ideas of how to put things together. So I have my leather jacket. I actually thrifted this last year, and then I'll be wearing it with a white button-up, a regular men's necktie. I will post in the description below my how-to video on how to tie a tie, and then also regular black wide leg pants with a black belt, and loafers is the shoe shown. So that is our first outfit. Moving on to the second outfit blueprint. Now again, these blueprints are things that you decide what colors you want, you decide what works for you, you decide, shop in your own closet what you want to do. But very simple outfit blueprint here. You can choose any color sweater. I have a green pullover. It's one of my favorite colors. I have a neck scarf going with that, and then a pair of dark wash wide leg jeans. I'm kind of nerdy when it comes to this. I love creating guides and checklists and all those kind of things for people to use to help you on your style journey. So right now I just created a brand new guide. I'm so excited about it. I'm nerding out a little bit. This truly is the no BS guide to revitalizing your style. And all you have to do is click the link below, or else go to my website, which is tinafayschwan.com/quick start. Don't forget the E in Faye. All right, our third outfit, because it's starting to cool down, yay, is a pullover again. So I know we just did a pullover, but this is another pullover. If it's too warm for a pullover, just substitute a casual shirt in its place. I have some barrel jeans with this, a little bit lighter wash, and then a faux leather jacket. The weather is cooling off a little bit, so a faux leather is a great way to go, because it could be worn, as I said, with the black jacket. You could wear it as more of a blazer or a topper for indoor wear, or you can just wear it as outerwear and take it off when you go inside. I always try to mix up whether these are a little more corporate or a little more casual. You can always switch out. You can dress it up or dress it down. In our monthly guides for Style Society, I always have a dress it up version and a dress it down version for them to give more ideas. So again, Style Society link is in the description below. But this is a more corporate look with a little bit of zhuzh. I've got a pair of white or off-white. These are more of a winter white ivory slack. And then I have a plain black blouse and a plain black blazer with a little feather action on the sleeve. These are removable though, so I could wear it as a plain black blazer. But I find myself a lot of times wearing dark on the bottom and lighter colors on the top because of my body shape, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up and put the lighter color on the bottom and the darker on the top. And who doesn't love a little black and white? Okay, the fifth outfit is actually a jumpsuit. We have about 2 to 3 jumpsuit days throughout the month. So I am wearing that outfit today. Here's a little secret. This is not a jumpsuit. This is actually a matching set. So it's a top and matching pants. You can find these in prints, you can find them in various colors, but it's really a great way to kind of get that jumpsuit look without kind of the hassles of a jumpsuit. Now, those are our 5 outfits this week. I hope you're really enjoying these videos because I am loving putting them together. Plus, it forces me to get my outfits ready for the week, which saves me time in the mornings throughout the week, which is awesome. And it's the main reason why I want to share them with you. Don't forget, if you're interested in Style Society and getting the monthly calendars, monthly guides, daily outfit inspiration, and a community of women all interested in the same thing, click on that link for Style Society. Also, if you're not quite ready for that, but you just want a guide on getting a quick start on your style journey, grab my quick start guide. The link will be below as well.